Are you tired of the daily grind, trading time for money, and dreaming of a life where your income works for you? What if I told you there is a way to break free from the 9 to 5 cycle and build a stream of passive income that can potentially earn you thousands of dollars, all from the comfort of your home? Welcome to the realm of passive income, where financial freedom and flexibility intersect. In today's fast-paced world, traditional income streams often leave us feeling tethered to our jobs, with limited time for personal pursuits and financial growth. But what if there was a way to generate income without constant active involvement, allowing you to reclaim your time and pursue your passion? Get ready to embark on a journey toward financial independence and discover how these innovative strategies can revolutionize your approach to earning income online. Are you ready to unlock the door to passive income success? Print on demand. Print on demand is a business model that allows you to create and sell custom designed products without the need for inventory management. Here's a step-by-step breakdown on how to start a POD brand. Begin by researching and selecting a niche market for your designs. This involves understanding the interests, preferences, and demographics of your target audience. Consider niches that align with your passions and have a stable audience to ensure demand for your products. Use graphic design softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva to create unique and appealing designs for your merchandise. Pay attention to trends, market demands, and customer preferences when crafting your designs. Research and choose reliable print-on-demand platforms that align with your business goals and offers quality printing services. Popular platforms include Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, and Spreadshirt. Evaluate factors such as product offerings, pricing, shipping options, and integration capabilities with e-commerce platforms. Once you have selected a print-on-demand platform, upload your designs and artwork onto the platform's interface. Ensure that your designs meet the platform's requirements in terms of file formats, dimensions, and quality standards. Customize your merchandise by selecting the types of products you want to offer, such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, or tote bags. Specify product variants such as size, color, and style options to cater to diverse customer preferences. Integrate your print-on-demand products with an e-commerce platform or website to showcase your merchandise to potential customers. Popular e-commerce platforms include Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, and BigCommerce. Customize your store layout, product descriptions, and pricing to enhance the shopping experience for visitors. YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel presents an opportunity to create engaging video content and monetize your audience through various income streams. Here's a comprehensive guide to launching and growing a successful YouTube channel. Define your niche or area of expertise based on your interests, skills, and knowledge. Conduct market research to identify target demographics and audience preferences within your niche. Choosing a specific niche will help you stand out and attract a dedicated audience. Plan your content strategy by brainstorming video ideas, topics, and formats that resonate with your target audience. Create a content calendar to maintain consistency in uploading videos and cover a diverse range of topics to cater to different viewer interests. Invest in quality video production equipment, including cameras, microphones, lighting, and editing softwares to produce professional-looking videos. Focus on delivering valuable, engaging, and visually appealing content that captivates your audience and encourage them to subscribe and return for more. Optimize your YouTube channel and individual videos for search engines to improve visibility and attract organic traffic. Use relevant keywords, tags, titles, and descriptions that align with your content and target audience search queries. Establish a strong brand identity for your YouTube channel by designing custom logos, banners, and thumbnails that reflect your niche and resonate with your audience. Consistently incorporate branding elements across your videos, channel art, and social media profiles to enhance brand recognition and credibility. Foster a sense of community and engagement with your audience by responding to comments, questions, and feedback on your videos. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel, and actively participate in discussions to cultivate a loyal and supportive fan base. E-commerce dropshipping. E-commerce dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without holding inventory or managing fulfillment. Here is a detailed guide on how to start a dropshipping business. Conduct market research to identify profitable niches, product categories, and target demographics for your dropshipping store. Choose a niche with high demand, low competition, and profit potential to maximize your chances of success. Research and partner with reliable and reputable dropshipping suppliers or wholesalers that offer quality products, competitive pricing, fast shipping, and excellent customer service. Consider factors such as product range, inventory levels, shipping times, and return policies when selecting suppliers. Choose an e-commerce platform or marketplace to host your dropshipping store. Popular platforms include Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and eBay. Create a user-friendly and visually appealing online store with customizable themes, product pages, and checkout processes. Curate a selection products from your chosen suppliers and add them to your dropshipping store. Optimize product listings with high-quality images, detailed subscriptions, pricing, and variations to provide seamless shopping experience for customers. Integrate your e-commerce platform with your dropshipping suppliers to streamline order management processes, automate order fulfillment, inventory updates, and shipping notifications to ensure efficient and accurate order processing. Implement a multi-channel marketing strategy to drive traffic to your dropshipping store and generate sales. Utilize digital marketing channels such as social media advertising, search engine optimization, content marketing, email marketing, and influencer partnerships for paid advertising to reach your target audience. The path to financial freedom begins with a single step. Will you take the step today? As we conclude our exploration of passive income ideas, ask yourself, what dreams could you pursue with an additional $10,000 per month flowing into your bank account? Whether you are seeking to supplement your current income, escape the rat race, or achieve your wildest entrepreneurial ambitions, passive income offers a gateway to a brighter future. Embrace the possibilities, unleash your creativity, and dare to envision of a life where your income works for you, not the other way around. Thank you for joining us. Remember, the power to transform your financial destiny lies within your grasp. Seize it and let your passive income journey begin.